Next, if y upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equals to y upon 3 plus 1 upon 4, find y. So again go for LCM. LCM on left side will be separate and right side would be separate, or you can go for common LCM also. But left and right separate, it's easier over here. So here it is 10. So 2 into 5, so 5y, and 5 into 2, so 2 over here, equals to 4y plus 3 upon 12. You can also cross multiply, it's one and the same over here. So 5y minus 2 upon 5 equals to 4y plus 3 upon 6. Cross multiply over here now. So 6 into 5y minus 2 equals to 5 into 4y plus 3. Solve this. 30y minus 12 equals to 20y plus 15. Take y on one side and non-y on other side. So 30y minus 20y equals to 15 plus 12. 10y equals to 27. Y equals to 27 by